Well, when it comes to vaccine distribution, there are still lots of questions. When will people with medical conditions actually be eligible?
Will there be enough vaccine for the second dose when it's time to get one? CBS 4's Darius Johnson talked with experts and went to vaccine clinics to get some answers.
Right now in Indiana, anyone over the age of 70 is eligible to register and get vaccinated. The state is prioritizing who gets the vaccine first based on work environment, age, and underlying health conditions.
Age alone is a very strong risk factor for both hospitalization and death related to COVID-19.
Dr. Michael Weiner, research scientist at the Regan Street Institute and professor of medicine at IU, says prioritization is based on the data collected during the pandemic. That plan comes with pros and cons.
There will always be some individuals who don't completely fit the risk profile, even though they may meet an age criterion.
Then there are some older individuals who might be healthier, putting them at a lower risk. And it's up to the state how much vaccine each location gets.
So whatever vaccine that we're providing now, we usually are given a week or a 2-week time frame that vaccine has to last through.
And the state is tracking what's allocated so it can be doubled for the second dose as Hoosiers worry what may be available.
The state is in charge of all of the inventory and all of the send out of the doses. So there is not a way for example, for a hospital to order their own.
As the state continues with an age-based priority list, some experts say distribution needs to be ramped up and more widespread.
I think in the long run, it would be useful to try to increase that flexibility and accessibility, maybe by considering additional channels for where the vaccine can be received.
Reporting in Indianapolis, I'm Darius Johnson.
The Fishers Health Department plans to open a mass vaccination site next week. Every health department is opening sites and vaccinating based on the number of doses they get. If you have questions about the coronavirus vaccine, visit cbs4indy.com/vaccine. You can not only ask a question, but see what other questions have already been answered.